Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And in this video it's just another random vlog with lava lamp. It was just moving when I came in here. Jiggle jiggle, see that jiggly action? This jiggly action. But it was moving when I came in here a minute ago. It's just stopped. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my other series that I have going on right now. It's not a gaming series. It's out on my desk right now. I'm not going to do another one, guys, but Jesus. Yeah, I'll just do it straight up. Jesus calling for you guys. And yes, guys. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying. I'm leaving the studio, going to the gaming room. That's where I record all my gaming video. See the lava lamp? It's moving when you come out.
Do you know where the first exit is?
Yeah, but anyway, guys, sorry about that. It was just we're having a party in the house, and they're playing some Advanced Warfare.
Oh man.
My brother and close family. It's my brother screaming. I almost fell off. Y'all can hear that totally. But guys, here I'm just gonna do a fireworks showcase, I guess. Quickly cut on the light. It's dark.
Dude,
oh, that one
up there and died. No, 41, they have 62, they're gonna win.
Yeah, they're gonna win. Ugh. Hold on, guys. You just have to move this so I can cut on my light because it's unplugged. So.
Where are you?
Alrighty, guys. Be right back. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Gotta move the camera.
Dude, look at my back. No, follow me. I know. Good hiding spot. Hey, this guy has the RPG.
Alright, guys.
I got it.
Okay. The light has been onified. Alrighty, guys. So these are the fireworks that we're having tonight. We're gonna have one of those big ones, sparklers and stuff. We got the Sir Lancelots. I think they're mortars. I think these are sparklers. Oh no, these are fireworks. I have these. Got cannon things. These aren't single shot. These are like a few shots. I have. What's this? It's a tank. It moves on the ground. We got Saturn missiles where it goes up in the air, like it goes swivel, like it goes sizzle, and then it goes explodes. And we got another one of the Saturn missiles. Yep, Saturn missiles right there, guys. You can read it. Pause the video if you want to read any of these stuff. And then we got more tanks. And then we have a taste of heat. I think this is the finale one. And then, of course, the mortars. So, that's what it is, guys. That's all the fireworks and everything. Well, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos that I'm uploading. Hope you guys have enjoyed. And peace out.